I'm doing some hiking out here in Portland, Oregon. And yeah, and ran past a whole bunch of dandelions. So we're going to do it right here on camera, eating it fresh out the ground. My first time doing it. But it's basically salad. And the best place to get them is out in the forest because unless it's in your yard and where you got it from and it wasn't sprayed with any type of pesticides or whatever. So, yeah, we're about to try dandelion out, eat a couple of flowers, see how it tastes, give you my review. It's a wonderful day out. I don't think it's going to allow me to focus the background. But yeah, we out here hiking. So, let's just dive in straight to it. Let me go with this big one right here. Let's just make sure there ain't no bugs in it. Alright, they say basically with this right, you just eat the little petals. Don't eat the green. It says like butter. And you can eat the leaf of the plants too. Alright, so I got camera that. Alright, let's give it a try. Since this is my first time trying it, I'm not going to eat more than one of these. So I'm just going to go with one of them. As you can see, yeah. Okay, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna come back to y'all like in 30 minutes. Cause I first time eating these, but these are the best ones to be eating actually.
and everything. So I'm gonna tell you one thing about going in the forest and foraging for your own food and stuff. It's out here, but you gotta be very careful and everything. The number one, I guess you go in foraging. Number one thing you need to know is about mushrooms. Get very well educated on those. Berries, get very well educated on those. And some berries is just out there that you know, that you can automatically pick off your head or use something in the orange or whatever, So yeah, I'm gonna be back to y'all, so let you know how I feel. And hopefully it's all good and I picked the right play.
Enjoying the day out, fresh air. Wish it was a no signer. These clouds were just make for a great video. Look at this. For this video. Yeah. Look at that. Look at the view behind. Look at that view. We got the Dandelion earlier. Still feeling fine. It's been about 10 minutes. Might have grabbed some more. Because it's a lot around. It's plentiful out here. Maybe one day we might end up doing camp series. Camping out. Never know. I don't know if we're going to camp over there. We gotta be prepared. Maybe people set fires up over here. So, don't know. But yeah, enjoy your day out. This is unreal. Like, I've been to some places, but mountains, like, gotta go. Actually, I'll tell you once we get to the actual area. I'm standing on top of a bench right now. That's why it seems like I'm so tall. But I'll tell you later.
this hike. All right, we got the second one right here. I don't know, my tongue feels a little weird. And the first one, it's all weird. But to reinsure myself, everything we're gonna go back at. Make sure no bugs on this thing. Alright, got the second one. Make sure no bugs in. Look at this. Oop, focus, focus. But yeah, let's get it in. Okay, that one right there. It didn't taste like the last one I had tastes a little sweet. It was, you know, this. I don't know if because I eat some of the green stuff. That's what probably was the lettuce part of it, or what. But we're gonna keep trying this. Make sure we get the right. Yeah, that didn't taste right at all. That first one felt like I was eating something healthy. That one right there, I guess because it's more closer to the road. I don't know. Going up right away. Ditch. Didn't even start off with like a slope or neutral. Go straight up right away. Okay. Always stay on the trail. Usually, we ever see a mark going down like that, stay on it and be way safer. You are still in the woods, you are still in the jungle, still in the forest. So animals are out here, but if you're staying on these, you are most likely not gonna run into them, but you're still in the forest. So Never know. And plus, the habitat of the land of this forest, you help it stay alive. Because these people still tearing down stuff and building things. So, whatever is here, make sure we preserve it. Because we need nature. About like a half a mile in. Not showing you too much videos because mainly the same plants, but the birds singing and a lot of stuff is in a different way. But I'm gonna see if I can find something edible out here. We can add this to the video too. So next time you see me, we're gonna be more than halfway done. And plus, hopefully have something edible. Figure it out.